Hello everybody, I'm Lorenzo Gabellini talking from Totem of Design booth here in ISE 2023. I would like to introduce to our MonnaLisa model. This is a kiosk, standing kiosk for marketing purpose. You have the visible area where you can place real product for promoting, and beside that area the digital part that belongs to a storytelling system. You can appreciate the different design and quality of the product related respect other competitors and how, for example, customization in the basement can be, in this case, really real marble. So these are all real materials, and on the other side, even another variation of the products. In this case, we use a mirror screen display. So that can be either touch, and in this way you can also attract the attention of the people with some tricky games, activities, and so on. So if you then solve this logic hint, we will reserve for you a prize when you come to our booth. So I'm finishing, Lorenzo Gabellini from Totem Design. You can see have more information on our website, www.totemofdesign.it. See you from ISE 2023. Bye.